For 50 years, Horizon has provided us with an insight into the very best of scientific discovery and technological innovation from around the world. Our films have featured some of the biggest names in science, and they've brought you the latest advances in everything from medicine to computer technology, space science to biology. As the 21st century marches on, the world faces a whole new set of scientific challenges. To celebrate Horizon's 50th anniversary, we invited the public to play a part. The question was, if you had £10 million to make one change to the world, what would that be? In 2014, a £10 million prize fund was launched to help solve the most pressing challenge facing our society. We put together a team to help the public choose what that challenge should be. This is the Royal Observatory Greenwich, a place of huge importance in the history of science, and it's where the story of today's prize challenge started 300 years ago. 1714 saw the launch of perhaps the most famous science prize in history, one that put Greenwich and British science on the map forever. Just like the new prize, it was prompted by the need for science to solve a grave problem, one that faced every seafaring nation on Earth. 300 years ago, naval navigation was perilous because when they were out at sea, far from any landmarks, it was extremely difficult for sailors to know precisely where they were. That problem caused one of the most tragic accidents in British naval history. On one terrible night in 1707, 4 ships sank near the Isles of Scilly, with the loss of over 1,400 lives. The sailors died because they couldn't work out exactly where they were. The hardest task of all for any navigator was to work out their longitude, their east-west position. To calculate